Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. And thank you very much for your inquiry on this absolutely stunning piece of technology that we have recently brought into stock. So we are very proud to be offering this 2022 22 plate registered Audi E-Tron GT Quattro. Now this fine example comes finished in Daytona grey pearl effect metallic paintwork with fine Nappa Honeycomb leather interior, which we'll be having a little look at in just a moment when we head indoors. Now this stunning fully electric Audi E-Tron comes having covered just literally 132 miles. This really is not the vehicle to miss, with it including £8,190 worth of factory fitted optional extras. Now that list of factory optional extras comes on this vehicle as a package, and this is known as the Comfort and Sound Pack Plus, coming in at £8,190. Now we also have adaptive air suspension, Sport Seats Pro, which, as I say, we'll be having a look at when we head indoors. We also have the Bang & Olufsen sound system, the full matrix LED headlights with the dynamic indicators, a full selection of ambient lighting for the interior, E-Tron GT Puddle Lights, and of course the virtual cockpit. Features you'd fully expect, such as heated seats, the ventilated front seats, the full fixed panoramic roof, front and rear sensors, along with a 360-degree parking camera. Now let's have a look at the exterior of this vehicle. As I'm sure you can imagine, with the mileage the vehicle has covered, it is in absolutely stunning condition from all angles. And Audi really have got the styling off to a T with this vehicle. And of course, with regards to performance, this E-Tron GT is certainly up there with the best of them. Absolutely incredible acceleration, but of course can be used as a daily and very practical vehicle. Okay, let's have a look inside. And just to point out some of these wonderful features that are inside the vehicle. So we can see the electric seat controls on the side of the driver's seat just there, along with that honeycomb perforated ventilated upholstery. And again, all in absolutely incredible condition. The virtual cockpit we can see behind the steering wheel, which can all be customized for its style and content. The center display there, which is full touchscreen, and of course that's going to be giving you your satellite navigation, all of the multimedia functions including Bluetooth with full voice control, and all of that 360-degree camera image will all come up on there as well. Having a look into the rear of the vehicle, being a coupe, yet we still have an ample amount of headspace and a number of features for the rear seat passengers. So this particular vehicle is available immediately, and here at AMT we are happy to provide you with a service all under one roof, where we can discuss your funding options, and of course if you would like to have the vehicle treated on the exterior and interior with our professional vehicle treatment products. So thank you very much for taking the time to view this video. If there's some more information that you require, please do let us know. We can happily provide you with another personal video or get the details to you over the phone. So I do hope you find the video informative, and we will be in touch very soon with the calculations. So thank you once again, and bye for now.